Hello there! In our previous video, we demonstrated how to use Nested JSON and explore interacting with an API. Now, let's walk through an example of utilizing an API that requires an API key. Let's break it down step by step. Start by creating a new table and select Nested JSON. There are two convenient ways to add your API key. First, through the input JSON URL, and second, via custom headers. Before we proceed, it's crucial to obtain an API key. Head back to public APIs on Google and choose the animals category. Here you will find cats, which, as you can see, requires an API key. Click on it, and in the top left corner locate Authentication. Here you can request your API key. Click on Get your API key and select Get free access. Fill out the form and you will receive your API key via email. Now, upon our return, we can see an example of how to use an API key in the input JSON URL. Simply copy and paste it. Alternatively, let's explore the second method. In custom header, enter API key for the key name and input the API key you received in your email for the key value. Click on Get JSON Routes and save changes. The result will look like this. As shown in our previous video, you can easily add the shortcode of the table to your page. With a few adjustments, your page can look like this. Thank you for watching.